To delete a credit card from Google Play, start by opening the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Account to view your account information and settings. Next, tap on Payment Methods to see a list of all the credit cards you have added to your Google Play account. Find the credit card you want to delete and tap on it to view its details. On the credit card details page, tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and select Remove. Confirm that you want to remove the credit card by tapping Remove again. The credit card will be deleted from your Google Play account and you will no longer be able to use it to make purchases. If you have any subscriptions or pending transactions associated with the credit card, you may need to update your payment method or cancel the subscription before you can delete the credit card. It is also possible to delete a credit card from the Google Play website. To do this, go to the Google Play website and sign in to your account. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select My Account. Click on Payment Methods and find the credit card you want to delete. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to the credit card and select Remove. Best practices for managing your credit cards on Google Play include regularly reviewing your payment methods and removing any credit cards that are no longer valid or that you no longer want to use. You should also make sure to keep your account information up to date, including your name, address, and email address. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily delete a credit card from Google Play and manage your account settings with confidence.